everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kajal and I have something special for each and every one of you in this video. But before getting started, I would like to show my gratitude towards each and every one of you who have subscribed to the channel and contributed in each and every way towards growth of this channel. So thank you so much for contributing in each and every way. Finally, we have hit the 1000 subscriber mark and I cannot be any more happier about it. So without wasting any time, let's get started and let me tell you what it is about. So I know that a lot of Indians, maybe Bangladeshis, Pakistanis, everyone who is not a native English speaker faces a lot of problem when it comes to one thing, and that thing is vocabulary. If you also feel that sometimes you are not able to find the correct words to speak in English fluently, or sometimes you yourself feel that my English level is not so high just because of vocabulary, then I have an ultimate solution for you. The solution is this book, Word Power Made Easy, which is by Norman Lewis. Now what happens by this book, we will talk all about it. So first of all, let me tell you that at whatever level of English you are, this book will be helpful for you. This book, it helps you is that this book is basically based on etymology. Etymology is nothing but the derivation of root words. So basically what happens is that in this book you learn a lot of root words like ego, like good. So you basically, if you are learning one root word, there will be a lot of words that are derived from it and you will be able to identify the correct meaning of it. How you will do this is that basically if you know the meaning of ego, then if I say you that you are egocentric, egomaniac or egoistic, you will know the meaning of it, right? So this book is totally based on it. And how you have to basically now do this book is you need to purchase this book from the market. I can link a PDF version of it in the description box if you wish to, but I would highly recommend that it is not a very costly book. In INR it cost only 179 rupees, and see how big it is. So what I would recommend is that do buy this book, because you have to work a lot on this book itself. So what will happen is that, for example, session 6 is all about the origin of words. So they are talking about doctors of women, of children, of skin type. So there will be a few exercises that you have to do after each chapter that will help you increase your level of English. Just by reading it won't help. You have to do the exercises that comes with it. And if you also complain that I learn a lot of English words but later on I forget it, so you have to completely do this book. That will definitely increase your level of English and you won't forget words, as you will be doing a lot of exercises. The words will get on repeating and you will also get some remembering all the later exercises on this book. So how this book is helpful, I can read from the book itself that first of all, if you don't know how to always use the right kinds of book, this book is for you. Then if you don't know how to pronounce or spell words correctly, if you do a lot of spelling mistakes, then also it is an excellent book for you. Then if you want to avoid some expression that may look like illiterate, then also you can go towards this book. Then if you also want to speak English grammatically correct without making any embarrassing mistakes, then this book is for you. So I would highly recommend to purchase this book. This book name, again I am telling you the name, it is Word Power Made Easy by Norman Lewis. Now in market there are two versions available. One is this one, which is red in color. One is white one. That might look a bit like it is not so big also. That book is quite thin. So the white one basically is not so thick also. That one is quite thin than this one. And that book is a old version maybe. So I would definitely recommend you go for the red one. That will be much more helpful for you. Okay, you can purchase this book from the market, and I can assure you, once you finish this book, don't worry, you will finish it soon. And I would also recommend that make this book your daily habit. So as people read their morning newspaper, you can also make this book your habit, that in every morning I will go through this book once, I will finish 1 or 2 chapter, or I will just practice it for 1 hour or in half an hour. Otherwise at night before going to bed, you don't have to use phone a lot before going to bed, so you can go to this book that okay, before going to bed for half an hour I will just do this book and then go to my bed. So that would be an excellent option if you are working somewhere, if you are preparing for any competitive exam, let it be IELTS, let it be PTE, or you are preparing for some banking exam, some maybe competitive exam like CAT, GRE, SAT, any exam that you are preparing from, this book is totally a go-to book. I have seen people recommending this book for banking exams, for CAT exams and whatnot. So that can definitely tell you that this book is an ultimate guide towards your English language. The book says that it is the most simple step-by-step method that will increase your knowledge and help you master the English language. So I would definitely recommend go for this book. It has over 700 pages, but once you go through it, you will have an extraordinary language skills. So go for it, do it, don't be lazy, and this will definitely help you. So as I said that this video has something for every one of you. I would be sharing a link of this book in the description box from which you can download it for free, and I would also like to share, I might share it on WhatsApp and Facebook groups and my Telegram group, so you can join me there and let me know what all videos you would like to see from me in the near future, and I would love to do that. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel and showing all your love on this channel. I will see you super soon on this channel, and keep supporting. Thank you so much. Bye bye.